Welcome back to Wheel and Thrill. Today, we're diving into the Bajaj Qute revolutionary four-wheeler that's bridging the gaps between a rickshaw and a compact car. Known for its compact design, fuel efficiency, and smart engineering, the Qute is an ideal choice for city commuting and offers a unique alternative to traditional rickshaws. At first glance, the Bajaj Qute stands out with its small yet sturdy build. Its design is functional, with a compact shape that's easy to maneuver through crowded city streets, tight alleys, and narrow parking spots. With its four-wheeled stability, it provides a safer, more comfortable ride compared to traditional three-wheeled rickshaws. Under the hood, the Qute runs on either a fuel-efficient petrol engine or a CNG option, both of which keep operational costs low. With a fuel efficiency of over 35 kilometers per liter, it's designed to save on fuel expenses, making it an economical choice for daily drivers and fleet operators. This efficiency combined with its low emissions makes the Qute a greener option for urban transport. Inside, the Qute has seating for up to 4 passengers, with a roomy layout that ensures comfort even on longer rides. The seats are ergonomically designed to reduce fatigue, making it a great option for drivers working long hours. With ample legroom and windows on all sides, passengers get a comfortable, air ride with great visibility. For the driver, the Qute is straightforward and easy to operate. The dashboard provides essential information like speed, fuel level, and odometer readings, helping drivers stay in control. Its automatic transmission simplifies the drive, making it easy for anyone to pick up and drive, even in busy traffic conditions. Steering is smooth, and with its four-wheel build, it handles bumps and turns more confidently than a traditional three-wheeler. The Qute shines in urban settings, where its compact size and quick handling make it perfect for zipping through traffic. Whether you're taking passengers through busy markets or finding parking in crowded areas, the Qute's small footprint and easy maneuverability make it a smart choice for city driving. Plus, its design keeps noise levels low, making for a quieter, more pleasant ride. One of the standout features of the Bajaj Qute is its enclosed body, which offers better weather protection than traditional rickshaws. Passengers stay shielded from rain, dust, and sun, making it a more comfortable option in all weather conditions. This enclosed design also enhances safety, providing more security than open rickshaws. The Qute also comes in various color options, allowing owners to personalize their ride or align with the brand if used for business. This flexibility makes it perfect for fleet operators, taxi services, and even ride-share options. It's not only functional but also a stylish option that stands out on the road. With fewer moving parts and a simple design, the Bajaj Qute is also low maintenance. Routine upkeep is straightforward, reducing the downtime and costs associated with repairs. Its durability ensures that it can handle the daily demands of city driving while keeping costs manageable for drivers and operators. With the Bajaj Qute, you get the best of both worlds: a practical, economical, and stylish alternative to traditional rickshaws and city cars. It's a smart choice for anyone looking for an affordable, eco-friendly option that's built for city life. Thanks for watching Wheel and Thrill. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content on unique vehicles redefining urban mobility. Until next time, keep those wheels turning.